Hi guys!
What's that?
We are going to BGC. I just want to go to Muji. That's the only reason why. Alright, let's go! We're on our way to Mitsukoshi. This one's already eating.
I'm hungry.
It's like this. There's so many pockets.
Yeah, see.
We have the wooden organizers na.
Hey friends, so kakagising ko lang halos and hindi na ako nakapag-haul kagabi kasi tinatamad na ako. So ngayon na lang tayo mag-haul.
Good morning! Did Marky sleep with us last night? And he woke me up like 5 times. So, ito na yung mini Muji haul natin. Una kong binili is yung 0.5 gel pen refill. Bumili ako ng dalawa. Kasi, ito yung ginagamit ko sa journaling ko. And actually, tinitipid ko na siya kasi paubos na. Medyo malayo pa yung Muji sa amin. Kaya, ayun, kaya ko siya tinitipid. So, ngayon, meron na akong dalawang reserve. And hindi ko na kailangan tipirin yung Muji pen ko. Okay, for the love of journaling. And then, I also bought this facial blotting paper. Hindi ko pa na-try yung sa Muji na ganito. So, ayan, kumuha kami. I also have this black na notebook na grid-lined siya. And, ewan ko, gusto ko lang ng maliit na notebook. Kasi I'm thinking of adding to the list of my journals or my planners for next year is yung travel notebooks na passport size. And ang dami ko kasing nakikita na journalers out there na yun yung ginagamit nila. So medyo nako-convince na rin ako na bumili of my own. So, ayun. I'm just gonna try this one first. Iniisip ko pa kasi yung current Muji journal ko or current Muji planner ko, hindi rin ako consistent na nag-jot down. So, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it pans out if magamit ko talaga siya. So, next is we also bought this mini ramen kimchi. Sabi ng sales lady sa Muji is pwede na daw siyang kainin as a snack. So, akala namin luluto siya. Pero pwede pala siyang kainin as a snack na. Pero pwede rin naman lutuin. So, na-curious lang kami how it would taste kasi it reminds us of Nuda Crunch. If familiar kayo sa Nuda Crunch, it is a very nostalgic snack ng mga batang 90s. And usually kasi nabibili siya sa mga sari-sari store before. Pero ngayon, I think meron na rin sa mga 7-Eleven. Pero hindi siya laging meron. So, I think this is a good nostalgic snack to try out. And then, last one, I also bought this container. So, originally, container yata siya ng mga cotton buds. Thinking that I'm gonna use this as a terrarium Okay, as a plant mama, kailangan ko ng bagong aesthetic na lalagyanan for my terrariums. Although, meron na akong nabiling container from Muji also that I used as a terrarium. So, let me just get it. So, ito yun, yung ginagamit ko for the terrarium. This one is also from Muji. Ayan, medyo mas matangkad pala siya. And mas payat. Okay naman siya. I just wanted to try a different container also, and this type is very cutesy lang. That's it for a quick mini Muji haul. Okay guys, na-curious talaga ako dito. So, I'm gonna open it and try it out. Ang ganda ng lalagyanan niya. If you hear the stomping sounds, that's my Loki. Ooh, it's big pala.
What?
It's big pala. Kasi usually like the half of this size lang.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's try it out.
Yan. Please don't judge my woke up like this face. Let's try this. Hindi siya rough on the skin. Pero in fairness, smooth talaga siya kapag hinagod mo. Pero kapag yung raw paper or blotting sheet yung hahawakan mo, parang super tigas niya. Kasi super crunchy no yung sounds niya. Ayan. Pero para ka lang a-apply ng toner. Para kang gumagamit ng cotton pads. Ayan. Okay. Then, let's try the snack din pala. The kimchi. Open natin. Meron na akong bisita. Nakita niya na. Meron akong hawak na food. Loki, you want this one? You want? Okay, let's try this out. Ano to? Kimchi. Ramen kimchi flavor. Amoy ano siya? Actually, amoy Nuda Crunch siya. Or ganito lang talaga yung amoy ng mga noodles. Hindi siya lasang kimchi. Although, meron siyang hint of spice. Guys, lasa talaga siyang Nuda Crunch. Ang sarap niya. Okay, bye. I'm gonna eat this na. It's good. It's really good. I'm gonna give some to Loki. Loki, you want some? Here you go, buddy. Kainin mo yan. He's eating it. Oh. Okay. Never mind. Sige. What do you think?
It's,
Parang Nuda Crunch, diba?
yeah. But it said it has
Kimchi.
kimchi flavor, but
Can you taste the kimchi?
no. Because when I think of kimchi, it's spicy.
Same.
It's
But
not.
it's kind of spicy. Para siyang barbecue flavor.
Yeah.
It has a mild spice to it.
It's
But
good.
it's yummy.
How much is this?
It's 66.
But it was on 30% off, right?
I'm not sure. You're the one who got this.
It was 30% off.
I am just gonna clear out my table and catch up on some journaling. Cue time lapse.
As I was clearing my table, I figured I should give you guys a tour of my side table drawers.